Hi there. Are you a busy professional woman who is feeling exhausted, overworked, and overwhelmed? Perhaps you find yourself having regular thoughts like, there just isn't enough time in the day, or I don't have time to do everything that I want, or I'm just going nonstop and I'm afraid to slow down. If you're having any of these thoughts, then you know what it's like to feel overwhelmed and to not be making good decisions because your mind is in such a state of rush, but you're afraid to slow down. I know what that's like. My name is Dr. Shannon Tran, and I've been a licensed clinical psychologist for 18 years, and I'm now an executive coach. And I help busy women like yourself be able to get out of overwhelm and embrace ease so that you can really be the person you want to be, live to your full potential, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to create. I want you to imagine just having the space to breathe again and just feel that relief in your chest. Being able to free up your time so you can really be available to what matters most to you. Maybe it's dropping your kids off at school in the morning. Maybe it's making them breakfast or having time for a date night with your spouse or significant other. Maybe it's just simply catching up with girlfriends. Whatever it is for you, I know that having the time to be able to do that is so important to you. And you want to be able to control your schedule again instead of your schedule controlling you. If that sounds really good to you, then I want to invite you to join me in my virtual workshop coming up called Embracing Ease. And in this 2.5 hour workshop, we're going to really dive deep into what it takes to be able to free up our time, how to set boundaries with people that drain our energy, how to be able to maximize our efforts so we're working less and having more time to truly enjoy life, and being able to create space for me time so we can have that time to rejuvenate, reflect, and really show up in a way where we're not feeling so burdened and exhausted, where we can really enjoy the people we care about so much. I'd love for you to join me in this workshop. We're going to learn some really key elements to be able to take back your time, be in charge of your schedule again, and really be able to step into a life that has much more ease and flow for you. Check the dates in the link that is below this video so you can find out the most recent workshop, and I'd love to have you in this workshop. We're going to just really enjoy getting to know each other, helping you maximize your time. You'll receive a workbook that goes with it so you can really take the information that you're learning and implement it into your life, so you're going to see immediate changes and immediate relief from your busy schedule, so you're out of overwhelm and into ease for good. Do join me. This is Dr. Shannon Tran, and I look forward to seeing you in Embracing Ease workshop. Bye for now.